Alright, just a little bit of sheet metal work today. I made these the other day. I came out a little wide on this. I should have tucked it in closer, but it is what it is. I'm gonna cut this back, move it to line up with this. I got an adapter for this duct to that duct. I got a canvas for this. And I got a nice filter rack, as you can see. Filter doesn't get bound up. 14 by 25. Decided not to use an air bear today because this is just a rental property. No AC, no cooling coil. So, pretty good. A little close. I did check to see if the fan would come out, and it will. So, if you ever had to replace the fan motor. So I did check that. I'm gonna take out this humidifier. And so I'm gonna get to work. Look at this aluminum ductwork. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna take this humidifier out of there. Sure, it's restricting airflow. This is old stuff. Alright, well, it's all set. So I got a 14 or 13 by 20. Increases to 14 by 25. Got a 16 by 25 filter. Easy to take out. Easy to put in. Came out pretty nice. I think I went a little too bulky on the return. Probably could have tried to bring it a little closer to the furnace. But it's good. I always like to I'm not a metal guy, so I'm not really a sheet metal guy, but I always like to see a little bit of a space between the return and the furnace. And just basically any plenum, really. I mean, like the plenum should have on the supply some space before it really turns. So at least that's what I pick up from duct seminars. But yeah, pretty decent. It's really old ductwork, aluminum. So yep, it came out pretty good. I used the canvas here, canvas down there. So that aluminum was a pain in the butt to get into my slips. It just wants to bind up. But anyways, yeah, I think this is an 80,000 BTU furnace. I think it's like a 60 output. I think. Let me see here. It's an input of 75. So that means the output is like what, 62? 62 or something. If it's an 80. So yeah. I don't think anybody's ever gonna put a cooling coil on it, but like I said, it's just a rental property, so that's it.